Hello. Today, let's have glasses. Buy glasses online at aolia.com. That's cool. I hope so. We tried this now together, okay? First step is we are enter into the Aolia homepage, and on that you can see we have here a lot of stuff. Free shipping over $79, return on refund within 30 days, and we have 90-day warranty, secure shopping, Trustpilot 5.7. Okay. We have different codes here available. That's nice. And we have a lot of eyeglasses. You see then here, square, round, rectangle, oval, cat eye, aviator. There are colors, materials. You can make sunglasses shopping if you need it, or we can make here the eyewear trends, colorful rig, and so on. New arrivals, accessories, and sale. Wow. Okay, let's try this. We have essential eyewear over here for woman, for man. Designer eco-friendly. Eco-friendly is really good. Then of course here the best sellers. You see, these are cheap. Wow. And shop by category, man, woman. You can choose as you like it. Cool. Okay, let's have a look. What's going on here? Let's have a look here for eyeglasses. Boy, that's a lot of over 1,000 for woman, 600 for man. That's a lot of stuff. And of course, we can choose here between the glasses, the frames. Can choose with try on with different models on it, so you can have a look how the glasses will look like on your face, nearly on your face, of course. But you can see here different faces are available to see what's going on with that frame on it. Really cool, and more. A lot of more. That's cool. Okay. Now we are going to choose one. Let's have a look. Juliet Geometry. The Juliet Geometry looks like I will order it. They are available in different colors, as you can see, and you can see here the different frames on it. You can see here that's some video of the frame. Really cool. Then of course we can see that we buy on the frame only or select lenses. Okay, let's go. Select lenses. Select the presbyopia type. Single vision, progressive, bifocal, reading glasses, or non-prescription. We are going to make a single vision. You can select here the PD or the dual PD. So you can enter your prescription over here. Easy peasy. Godlike. That's cool. Of course, you have to look first on your papers. You can add a prism. Have your birthday date you can enter, and now you can continue that. Confirm. Then you can choose standard lenses for free, blue light blocking glasses, or that's cool, or color tint sunglasses, photochromic lenses, polarized and driving lenses. You can choose the classic lens, color tint, photochromic, driving lens. Okay, my classics here. Oh, that's cool. Here, the lens index. You can choose the lens index here, mid index up to high index. Of course, the index higher you choose, the thinner the lens will be. Okay. Standard coating, classic coating, advanced coating, optimal coating, or optimal coating number 2. You choose from what you are going to like. And so there it is. You're ready. Frame, you're ready. Glasses are added to the shopping cart. Really cool. We can buy another one, get a frame 50% off. That's cool. That's simple. And then you can go to your shopping cart and buy it. Job's done. And after a couple of days, free standard shipping is available. It will join to you at home, and you can check this out. And after a couple of days, there it is. Aolia brings me the glasses. The mission beyond Aolia is help everyone see better by offering quality glasses at an affordable price. And that's right. It was not so expensive to get these glasses here. That was fast. And it looks really good. So let's open it and have a look. A clearer look of ours. Aolia.com, they're dedicated to helping people all over the world to have a varying vision. They provide fashionable, innovative, and top-graded quality eyewear. With the fastest delivery system that at the affordable price, they guarantee us an exceeded web shopping experience. For anyone with a need for glasses, wearing a pair of affordable, well-crafted glasses should not be a difficult task. Aolia just offers an opportunity for these dying needs of us. Whether we are a student, a worker, a fashionist, or a parent, Aolia find the exclusive glasses for us. And that's right. The way is easy. We are looking. We get a receive, open with a smile, and pull them on. Job's done. You can see it's really good crafted. The eyewear fits to my eyes and to my props with the eyes, no prop, and I can see good with them, and they come with a good quality and a good lifespan. That's all. Comes by Aolia, and with a good price and a good quality, that's the way it works. Because of the quality, because of our eye health, because of the fashion trends, and because of the customer services. Because of the easiest way to get good glasses, which delivers up to our house, fast and reliable, with good hinds and good quality. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Buy glasses at Aolia.com.